Hello, this is Inchi Huang, and I'm doing the homework 1, question 5. For this problem, the probability for one person that the test is positive equals to 0.1. And there we see that x represents the number of tests for each group. For the method 2, we divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group. So, as we can see, the probability for x can either be 1 or 11, because for example, if we do it in this group, if the test result is negative, which means all of the people in this group is negative, so it's not necessary to do the test for everyone. In this case, x equals to 1. And for example, if we do test in this group and the result is positive, which means at least one person in this group is positive. In order to find it, we have to do the test for the 10 people. So in this case, x equals to 11. So the x can either be 1 or 11. Let's see, p x equals to 1 equals to 10th power of 0.9. And the probability for x equals to 11 equals to, because at least one person in this group is positive, which means not all of them is negative. So the probability of x equals to 11 equals to 1 minus 10th power of 0.9. And let's see the definition of the expectation. X is a random variable with a number of outcomes such as x1, x2 until xk, with occurring with probabilities of p1, p2 until pk. So the expectation of x equals to x1 multiply p1 plus x2 multiply p2 until xk multiply pk. So the expectation for this case equals to 1 multiply probability of x equals to 1 plus 11 multiply the probability of x equals to 11, which equals to if we calculate this, we can get the result that the expectation for this equals to 7.51. So for 10 groups, the number of the tests needed to do is 7.51 multiplied 10, which equals to approximate 75.